Do your knees hurt when getting out of a chair? Are you, like me, one of 14 million adults in the US with knee osteoarthritis? Then this video is for you. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through my go-to technique for helping my students and clients reduce, even eliminate knee pain when getting out of a chair. Plus, at the end of this video, I'll share with you my #1 exercise for seniors for strengthening legs and hips. It's a great exercise for your knees, for balance, and for avoiding falls. So you want to stay with me for that. I'm 𝙏𝙖𝙞, head instructor at Chicago Tai Chi and author of Tai Chi for Knee Health, the low-impact exercise system for eliminating knee pain. At Chicago Tai Chi, we help adults move their bodies, deeply relax, and achieve vibrant health. And an important part of achieving vibrant health is learning how to care for your knees. If you're new here, make sure to click the subscribe button below and check the video description for links for more resources. One of the special programs I teach is Tai Chi for Knee Health. The technique I'm about to teach you comes right out of my Tai Chi for Knee Health Masterclass program. So let's begin. So here's the reason that people with conditions like knee osteoarthritis experience pain when getting up out of a chair. Let me give you the profile view. Watch my knees. Did you see my knees drive forward as I got up out of the chair? Watch again. It's that driving the knees forward when a person gets up out of the chair that sends force into the forward part of the joint. And if you have a spot of arthritis behind the kneecap, or you have some arthritis in the front part of the joint, that driving the knees forward puts that extra force into that deteriorated area and can cause irritation and pain. And you don't want to do that. Next, let me show you how to get up out of a chair without driving the knees forward. Watch my knees. They didn't drive forward. They stayed more or less stable over my feet. Watch that again. How do you do that? Grab a chair and join me. Scoot up toward the edge of the chair. Organize your feet more or less parallel under your knees. And now feel your knees. Bring some pressure into your feet and then extend your legs and hips without driving your knees forward. You can sit back down. Let's try that again. Feel your knees. Press into the floor. Keep your knees more or less stable. And that's a technique to eliminate the pain that is caused by driving the knees forward and getting up out of a chair. There's one other knee alignment issue. Watch my knees. Did you see them collapse in? Again, that can put additional force on the inside of the knee, which is the most common area for knee osteoarthritis. So how do you fix that? Again, stabilize your knees over your feet when getting up out of a chair. Watch my knees. Pretty stable. And that's what you want to do to eliminate knee pain when getting up out of a chair. We've got one other issue. It takes some amount of leg and hip strength to stabilize your knees when you get up out of a chair. So if you're having difficulty stabilizing your knees, you can use the arms of a chair to take some of the load off as you get up out of the chair. There you go, a straightforward knee-friendly technique for getting out of a chair pain-free. But hey, stay with me for my #1 exercise for seniors for strengthening your legs and hips. That exercise is called the chair squat. Building and maintaining leg strength is so important as we age. Strong legs and hips help us stay active and avoid falls. The chair squat is a straightforward, functional exercise that will do just that. I've just produced a free video guiding you through chair squats with my tips and recommendations for how to do the exercise safely and how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Check the description below for the link to my chair squat lesson.